Hi there, it's Professor Monty, and we're talking about how to square a binomial. Okay, now I put a big caution here. A plus b squared is not a squared plus b squared. A lot of students will write this. This is one of the common mistakes students make in class, is they just want to distribute this, whatever the exponent is, squared in this case, across addition or subtraction, just square each piece individually. You cannot do that. So I write here, we cannot distribute an exponent across addition or subtraction. Not only for 2's, for any exponent that's out there. Let me show you what it really is. So if I have a plus b squared, remember what that means. It means a plus b times a plus b. And that I can FOIL out. So a times a is a squared. A times b is plus ab. B times a is plus ab. And then b times b is plus b squared. So I did FOIL, first, outside, inside, last. Look at my video on foiling if you don't remember how to do that. But these two are going to go together as 2ab. And so really what I have, these 3 dots in a triangle, mean therefore a plus b squared isn't a squared plus b squared. It's actually a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. That's our formula. If you want a formula to know how to square a binomial, that's the formula if you have plus. Probably easier just to FOIL it out yourself, but there's a formula. The key here is seeing that, oh, we have this stuff in the middle. We have this 2ab. Where'd that come from? Students will always ask me, Professor Monty, where'd you get this number in the middle? And so I have to FOIL it out for them and show them, and they're like, oh, yeah, I forgot. Okay. With subtraction, it's very similar. I've got a minus b times a minus b. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to FOIL it out. I've got a squared minus ab again. And then minus gives me a plus. Negative times a negative plus b squared. And notice I have a negative 2ab here. So this time I have a squared minus 2ab and then plus b squared. Again, that's my formula if we're squaring a binomial with a subtraction sign. It's the same as above, we just change the sign in the middle. Okay, so how can we use this? Well, here's an example that is in the form of the first one, a plus b squared. So using this formula, it's something squared plus 2 times something plus something squared. And this was a, this was a, b, and that was b, and I can just plug them all in. Notice in this time that's a and that's b, so wherever there's an a is an x, wherever there's a b is a 4, and by doing that, oh, x squared, 2 times 4 is 8 times x, so plus 8x, and then plus 4 squared, which is 16. That's my answer. I can use the formula to multiply this out. Did the formula make it easier? Maybe yes, maybe no. I will just FOIL it out. Ideally, if you can FOIL it out in your head, all the better. But the big thing is, notice this wasn't just x squared plus 16. There's this mysterious 8x in the middle. Where'd it come from? Oh, it came from FOIL. That's the outside plus the inside. Okay, so remember that. Remember this middle term just doesn't disappear. That's where it comes from. You can use the formula, or you can just FOIL it out.